Oh, g'day there people. Today we have a Norton. There's the keyway. It's a 5-pin. And no, as per usual, I haven't got a key for it. Now I'm only doing it on here to give some semblance of the real world situation. And the plug rotates counterclockwise, and I must say it's not the easiest of picks. I don't think there's any security pins in it, because you don't get a whole hell of a lot of feedback. It's so easy to overset. That's why I think they're all just standard pins. I've got a reasonable amount of tension on there, not excessive, but got a reasonable amount. Yeah, I think I've overset a pin somewhere. It's awkward having this hanging off another padlock, but I mean, if it was hanging on a gate or something, this is how you'd have to do it. And you wouldn't be sitting down either. You'd be squatting or bloody kneeling or something, bending over. No, I think I've overset a pin. It's a bugger of a thing. Take the spring tension out of the plug. Try again. I'm not sure if I've overset a pin already. I don't think there's one at the back that's not set, I think. Oh, there it is. Okay, there it is. Alright, thanks for watching that. Hooroo.